What if you could place any subject into any world perfectly? The Google patent I'm introducing today completely redefines what we know about image editing. No more stacking layers in Photoshop, erasing boundaries, or matching color tones. Just drag and drop. That's it. But AI image tools until now had a fatal flaw. You had to choose: preserve identity or preserve style. Choose option A. The face stays intact, but it looks like a sticker slapped onto the background. Choose option B. The style matches perfectly, but the face becomes someone generic, not the original person. Even existing methods like instant style still can't escape this trade-off. So how did Google solve this dilemma? The answer lies in separating the process into 3 distinct layers. First, subject, learning the identity of what you're inserting. Second, style, extracting the visual style of the target image. Third, physics, integrating light, shadow, and reflections realistically. These 3 components work independently, yet merge seamlessly. That's the key. The first part, dual space learning. The system learns identity on 2 levels simultaneously, like a master portrait artist. First, the essence. Through token embeddings, it captures high-level concepts like man with glasses or brown hair. Think of it as a quick gesture sketch. Then, the details. LoRa weights preserve fine-grained pixel-level features like eye shape or the exact position of a mole. This is the careful study a painter does of someone's eyes. This dual approach achieves higher fidelity with fewer training steps. The second part, surgical style injection. Here's where it gets clever. What happens if you inject style information into every layer of the model? The subject's identity gets contaminated, so Google injects style only into the surface layers. The clip encoder extracts a style vector from the target image, and the IP adapter surgically injects it into only the later layers of the diffusion model. The result? Identity is locked. Style is fluid. The core structure stays intact, while the texture transforms completely. Imagine Van Gogh painting you. The third part, bootstrap integration. This is where the real moat is built. Here's the problem. The model was trained on photographs. Will it work on oil paintings or cartoons? Usually it fails. Google's solution is a self-teaching loop. Apply. Use the existing model on new styles. Filter. Keep only the successful outputs. Learn. Retrain on those successful examples. As this cycle repeats, the model masters infinite styles without collecting new data. This is the technical moat that competitors can't easily cross. Now let's see the results. This isn't simple compositing. The model understands the scene and generates completely new poses. The same character standing, sitting, running. These are poses that didn't exist in the original image. Because the model learned the character's characteristics, it can generate poses it's never seen before. Make them sit down. Done. Make them look left. Done. Make a cartoon version. Done. It's not copying pixels. It understands the character. Here's an objective comparison. We have a reference subject and a background style. Look at how different methods combine them. Style align, significant identity loss. Instant style, unnatural integration with visible artifacts. Ours, perfect identity, perfect style, seamless integration. Subject fidelity measured by dyno and clip eye. Style adherence measured by CSD. This method dominates existing baselines across all objective metrics. The commercial impact breaks down into 3 areas. For creators, democratization of professional editing. You don't need 10 years of Photoshop experience to produce professional results. For platforms, mobile-ready architecture for UGC and advertising. This can run directly on smartphones. For the future, foundation technology for interactive generative media. This is just the beginning. This is no longer about editing photos. It's about erasing the boundaries between worlds. The era of cut and paste is over. The era of imagination begins. Watch for which Google products will integrate this technology and what creator tools will emerge. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.